Baby Farm Animals by Greyling. 5 little lambs, soft and white, living on a farm so bright. Woolly and cute, they like to play, jumping and skipping all day. 4 little piglets, snorting with glee, eating and rolling in mud happily. Big pink ears and curly tails, making funny noises without fail. 3 little chicks, fluffy and small, peeping and cheeping, having a ball, hopping around on tiny feet, eating seeds and bugs they meet. 2 little calves, cuddly and sweet, drinking milk from Mum's teat, learning to stand and walk with pride, taking their first steps side by side. 1 little foal, so young and new, running in fields just like they do, with a shiny coat and a swishing tail, growing stronger and bigger without fail. The end.